Number 1. Diagnose the problem. Engines usually give warning signs before they break down completely. If your car is stalling, idling roughly, or losing power, it's important to run a full system check using an OBD2 scanner. These scanners can read trouble codes from your car's computer to tell you what might be wrong. Plug the scanner into the OBD2 port under the steering wheel. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine and scan for codes. Some codes are clear, like a misfire in a certain cylinder, while others may be vague or not show at all. Even if the scanner doesn't find any issues, there are still other steps to take before your engine will run like new again. Number 2. Clean the throttle body. The throttle body helps control the air entering your engine, and over time it can collect carbon buildup. This can make your car idle roughly, feel sluggish, or even stall. Most people forget to clean it regularly, even though it should be done every 30,000 miles, or as your car manual says. Cleaning it is simple. Disconnect the battery, remove the air intake hose, and spray throttle body cleaner on the valve inside. Use a cloth or toothbrush to wipe off the black soot, then let it dry completely. Once it's clean, your engine will breathe better and run smoother. Number 3. Replace the air filter. The air filter helps clean the air going into your engine. A dirty filter can block airflow and cause the engine to work harder, leading to poor performance and reduced fuel efficiency. While you're cleaning the throttle body, check the air filter too. It's usually inside a plastic box connected to the intake hose. Open the box, pull out the filter, and replace it if it looks dirty. This is an easy job that only takes a few minutes, but can make a big difference in how your car runs, especially if the filter hasn't been changed in a while. Number 4. Clean the mass. Airflow. MAF sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures how much air enters the engine and helps the car's computer figure out how much fuel to use. If the sensor is dirty, your engine might run poorly, use too much gas, or hesitate when accelerating. You can clean it by removing it from its spot near the air filter, spraying it with special MAF sensor cleaner, never use anything else, and letting it air dry for about 15 minutes. It's important not to touch the sensor inside, as it's very sensitive. Once dry, put it back in place and your engine should run more smoothly. Number 5. Change the engine oil. Engine oil keeps all the parts inside your engine running smoothly and cool. Over time, oil gets dirty and doesn't work as well, especially in older cars. If your car has high mileage, it's best to change the oil more often, every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, instead of waiting for the usual 7,500 or more. You can do it yourself with just a few tools. Drain the old oil, change the oil filter, and add fresh oil. Using the right type of oil for your car is important too. Synthetic oil may cost more but lasts longer and protects your engine better, especially in newer or turbocharged vehicles. Number 6. Clean the fuel system. As cars get older, carbon can build up inside the fuel system, hurting engine performance and gas mileage. One easy way to clean it is by using a fuel system cleaner. Just wait until your gas tank is almost empty. Pour the cleaner in, then fill up with fuel. Drive your car normally so the cleaner can run through the system. A good product like Techron or Seafoam can help remove deposits from your fuel lines, injectors, and valves. After using it, you'll likely notice smoother acceleration and better fuel economy. Doing this every few months helps keep the engine clean and running well. Number 7. Replace worn components. Even if your engine is still strong, other parts around it wear out with time and can hurt performance. Items like spark plugs, ignition coils, belts, hoses, and even your battery or fluids may need to be replaced. Changing old spark plugs can improve how your car accelerates and save fuel. You don't always need a mechanic. Many of these jobs can be done at home with a few tools and a guide. If your engine is leaking oil, you can even use a product like AT205 sealant to fix minor leaks. Replacing these worn parts can bring new life to an old engine and keep your car running reliably for years. Number 8. Check and replace. Spark plugs. Spark plugs are small parts with a big role. They ignite the air-fuel mixture in your engine so it can run. Spark plugs wear out or get dirty which can cause misfires, poor fuel economy, slow acceleration, and difficulty starting your car. Most manufacturers recommend replacing spark plugs every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type. You can check yours by removing them one by one with a spark plug socket. If the tip is covered in soot, oil, or corrosion, it's time for new ones. Replacing spark plugs is simple, inexpensive, and can noticeably improve how your engine sounds and runs. Number 9. Inspect and replace engine belts in your engine. Like the serpentine or timing belt, keep major systems working together, including the alternator, water pump, and power steering. If a belt wears out or breaks, it can cause serious damage or leave you stranded. Look for cracks, fraying, or signs of glazing on the belts. If they squeal or slip, it's a warning sign they need to be replaced. For most cars, serpentine belts should be replaced around 60,000 to 100,000 miles, and timing belts even earlier in some models. Replacing a belt may seem intimidating, but there are step-by-step guides and videos to help you do it yourself and save money. Number 10. Check engine mounts. Engine mounts hold your engine in place and absorb vibrations while driving. Over time, they can wear out or break, especially in older or high-mileage vehicles. When this happens, you might feel excessive vibrations, clunking noises when starting or stopping, or even see the engine shift when accelerating. Worn engine mounts can also affect the alignment of other engine components, causing added strain and wear. Checking them involves a visual inspection for cracks or movement when the engine is running. If needed, replacing engine mounts can smooth out your ride and reduce stress on other parts of the vehicle. Number 11. Monitor coolant levels and condition. Your car's cooling system helps prevent the engine from overheating, which is one of the fastest ways to ruin it. The coolant, or antifreeze, runs through the engine and radiator to carry heat away. If coolant levels get too low, or the fluid becomes old and dirty, your engine can overheat, which may cause major damage like a blown head gasket. Check the coolant reservoir regularly when the engine is cold. The liquid should be bright, usually green, orange, or pink, and filled to the full line. If it looks rusty, cloudy, or low, top it off or flush the system. Make sure to use the type of coolant recommended for your car. Number 12. Inspect the battery and terminals. Your car's battery doesn't just start the engine. It also powers important electrical systems. Battery terminals can corrode, which affects how well the battery connects to the rest of the car. If your car is slow to start, the lights flicker, or you hear clicking noises when turning the key, it might be a battery issue. Open the hood and check the battery terminals for white or green powdery buildup. You can clean the terminals using a wire brush and a mix of baking soda and water. Make sure the terminals are tight, and if your battery is older than 3 to 5 years, consider replacing it. A healthy battery helps your engine start reliably and run smoothly. Number 13. Inspect and replace the PCV valve. The PCV, positive crankcase ventilation valve, helps manage engine pressure and reduce harmful emissions. When it's clogged or stuck, your engine might run rough, burn oil, or idle poorly. Replacing the PCV valve is a simple job that can solve a lot of performance issues. It's usually located on the valve cover and connected to a hose. You can pull it out and shake it. If you don't hear a rattle or it looks dirty, it's time to replace it. A new PCV valve costs just a few dollars, but plays a big role in keeping your engine clean and running efficiently. All of these steps are simple, affordable ways to help your engine run like it did when it was new. From checking codes to cleaning vital parts and replacing worn components, these small fixes can add up to a big improvement. You don't need to be a mechanic to do most of them, just a little time and the right tools. Taking care of your engine not only improves performance, but also saves you money on future repairs. Try these tips and you'll be surprised how much better your car runs.